In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping costs on Wix. Whether you're just getting started with an online store on Wix or looking to refine your shipping strategy, understanding how to set up your shipping costs correctly is crucial. With the right settings, you can ensure that your customers are clear on what they'll be paying, allowing you to run your business more smoothly. First, let's navigate to your Wix dashboard, which is the control center for your site. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left panel. You'll notice a menu with various options. What we're looking for here is the Settings tab, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're within the Settings section, we need to locate the Shipping, Delivery and Fulfillment options. You might see it directly on the menu, but if not, don't worry. Wix has a handy search bar at the top of the settings page that you can use. Simply type in Shipping and it'll bring up the section you need in no time. Here's where you can really tailor your shipping options. You have the flexibility to create new shipping regions or modify existing ones dependent on where you ship your products. Go ahead and click Edit on one of the available shipping options or add a new region if necessary. This will open up a range of possibilities for shipping prices that you can customize depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about the different types of shipping costs you can set. Wix provides a few versatile options to suit varying business models and customer preferences. You can opt for free shipping if that's part of your promotional strategy. Alternatively, a flat rate can be a straightforward solution if you want to keep things consistent for your customers, no matter the product. For businesses that have a more diverse product range, you might consider creating shipping costs that are calculated by weight, price, or quantity. This approach ensures that heavier or more expensive items have corresponding shipping fees, which can help manage overhead costs and simplify logistics. Once you've decided on and finalized your shipping options, it's essential to save your settings. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This action will make sure that all your changes are applied and up and running on your site. And there you have it. With your shipping costs now set, your Wix Online store is ready to offer customers clear and accurate shipping options. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but also adds to the credibility and professionalism of your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.